Chocolate ice cream, like many other culinary delights, has an interesting history that intertwines with the history of ice cream itself. Here's a brief overview of its origins. Ancient times, ice cream-like desserts have been enjoyed since ancient times. For instance, the Persians enjoyed a chilled dessert made from rosewater and vermicelli around 500 BC. Arab influence. By the 10th century, Arabs had developed a version of ice cream using milk, sugar, and fruit juices. This eventually spread to Europe. 16th century. Chocolate was introduced to Europe from the Americas by Spanish explorers in the early 16th century. It quickly became popular as a drink mixed with water and sugar. Italy, the first known recipe for chocolate ice cream, is believed to have been published in Naples, Italy in 1692. In the book The Modern Steward, the recipe involved mixing chocolate with sugar and water before freezing it. France and England. In the 17th and 18th centuries, ice cream became popular among European aristocracy. French and English chefs began experimenting with various flavors, including chocolate. United States. Chocolate ice cream gained popularity in the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The invention of modern refrigeration and ice cream making machines made it more accessible to the general public. Today, chocolate ice cream is one of the most popular flavors worldwide. It continues to evolve with various recipes and innovations, including variations like dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and even vegan chocolate ice creams. In summary, chocolate ice cream's history is a confluence of ancient ice cream traditions and the introduction of chocolate to Europe, culminating in the widespread popularity and commercial production in the modern era. Chocolate ice cream, while often considered a treat rather than a health food, does have some potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. These benefits are largely derived from its key ingredients, milk, chocolate, and sometimes additional flavorings or inclusions. Here are some potential. Source of calcium and vitamin D. Milk is a primary ingredient in chocolate ice cream, providing essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health. Antioxidants. Cocoa in chocolate contains antioxidants like flavonoids, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Dark chocolate, in particular, is high in these beneficial compounds. Heart health. Some studies suggest that the flavonoids in dark chocolate can improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving blood flow, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Mood enhancement. Phenylethylamine P, found in chocolate, is known to promote feelings of well-being and happiness by increasing the release of endorphins and serotonin in the brain. Stress relief. Eating a favorite treat like chocolate ice cream can provide comfort and help reduce stress. The pleasurable experience of eating ice cream can stimulate the brain's reward system, leading to feelings of satisfaction and happiness. Enjoyment and social connection. Sharing ice cream with friends or family can enhance social bonds and improve overall well-being. Enjoying a treat together can be a positive and joyful experience. While chocolate ice cream can have some health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation due to its high content of sugars, fats, and calories, which can contribute to health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease if consumed in excess, opting for versions with lower sugar content or using natural sweeteners can help mitigate some of these concerns. Additionally, choosing dark chocolate variants can enhance the potential health benefits derived from cocoa. In summary, while chocolate ice cream should be enjoyed as an occasional treat rather than a dietary staple, it can provide certain health benefits, particularly related to its calcium, antioxidants, and mood-enhancing properties. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.